You ever just been in the mood for something?
I want it to be thick. I want it to be ignorant thick. Ooh, I want it to be so thick you just look and be like, That's how ignorant thick I want it to be, okay? Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today.
Hey.
Coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Hello family, hello friends of the family. You know what that means. You haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. I'm bringing you a slay today from 𝐻𝐻African, y'all. We working with some color today. Y'all know I've just been in that mood.
You ever just been in the mood for something?
I'm in the mood for wig colors, okay? I don't want to color my hair, but I want to wear some color on my head. So what does that mean? Wig. So today I'm working with a reddish brown HD wig. Y'all know I've been in all the reddish browns, Chad. All the reddish brown wigs I can find, I'm trying to wear them, okay? I think this one is straight though, y'all. I hope it's coming with some density. That'd be my only thing with straight wigs. I don't want it to be bad relaxer straight. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I don't want that sort of straight. I want some density. I want it to be thick. I want it to be ignorant thick. Ooh, I want it to be so thick you just look and be like, That's how ignorant thick I want it to be, okay? Bam. Package sauce. You know this is one of my favorite boxes because it feels so good. I talk about this all the time, but I'm big on like how things feel. So if you didn't know that about me, now you do. Y'all get this. Please somebody verify in the comments so that the other folk know I'm not crazy. This box feels so nice.
It really does.
Okay, so they sent some flyaway tamer. This is very similar to the pomade stick that you guys have seen me use several times when you're just trying to, you know, tame little flyaways or get your part in order. I like to use it and then hot comb my sides down so I can get my part to be part-tabulous. Fabulous. This helps with it. Okay. I got a rat tail comb. Now, the comb part, nice and thin. The teeth part, nice and thin. Rat tail part is a little thick. So this probably would not be like for serious parting. Just like play parting. Like I do. Okay. Y'all know my parts don't always be right. Okay, but we just gonna continue to lift them up in prayer. That's all we can do at this point. I'm 40 years old. My parts have never been all the way right. So at this point, we may just have to come to terms at this point. I don't know what else to tell everybody. I don't know. I'm not a braider, so my parts they're not about to do that. They not about to do that. You think they about to do that. They're not, okay? Let's just all be happy with the parts that we have, okay? That's what I'm saying. We gotta learn how to really just love on what we have. You know what I'm saying? We gotta learn to love on the parts that we coming at it with, because unless I go to a part school or take a part webinar class, my parts are still gonna be a little bit off. You see what I'm saying? And I'm okay with that. I need y'all to be okay with it too, because that's what you're gonna get when you come over here. It's gonna look good though. Now I can tell you that. But to a braider, they're gonna be like, here she go with these. And it's okay. It's okay. I love my braiders. Y'all can get on me. Y'all the only ones qualified that can really be like, girl, now you know that part. Everybody else,
Y'all not qualified to tell me nothing about my parts.
you got to be qualified. We got a wig cap in the building. The edge holder down. Or when you need to, if you lay your edge down so you can work it. Olay. When you do that, and you got to hold them down for a little while. Bam. They have placed everything you need for an amazing install right in this box. Amen. Amen. We got a wig bag, y'all. Put your wig in it. Got a wig bag, y'all. Wig bag, y'all. So I have 22-inch reddish brown. Ooh, this lace is looking good, honey. I ain't even take it out the bag yet. Just that I ain't even take it out the bag yet, lace. Hey, this color is really pretty. This is not as red. I know the color is reddish brown, but this is like brown. This is really pretty. 4 combs. 2 along the side, 1 in back of the frontal, 1 in back of the wig. Adjustable strap, elastic. This is also adjustable to fit your desired snugtivity.
And this is removable too, so if you don't want it there, bam, it doesn't have to be there, period.
When you have color like this, 9 times out of 10, the knots are going to be bleached because, you know, they've already lightened it. So, bam, you don't have to worry about knots typically with color like this. But I want you to pay attention to these edges, edges. These curly edges. Now that's supposed to make for a little natural edge lay. I've just been there lately. I want to see if I can get it glueless. If I cannot get it glueless, I will melt it. It just depends. Y'all, I want y'all to know that. Y'all, this is so soft. I'm just sitting here like it's a toy poodle or something. I'm just, honey, this is just so nice. But I want y'all to know that if I can get a wig glueless, it's going to be glueless, okay? If I cannot get it glueless, meaning, I mean, I could do it, but it's going to look terrible. It's going to be so obvious. Then no, I'm going to melt it. Kind of interested to see how these edges are going to be because as you can see, they're not kinky edges. They're just curly. I don't know if this is my first time wearing curly edges. I've wore kinky edges, but this is curly edges. I don't know how this is about to be. If it's going to be a wave along the edge, I don't know, child. We're going to find out together. But this color is amazing. This color is so pretty. I have been literally like rubbing this and running my fingers through this the whole time. So as you can see, we have no tangles. We have no issues with that. It feels good. It's very soft. I'm ready to style. Y'all ready to style? Hit that subscribe button in if y'all ready to style right now. And I'm going to go style it. I need you to hit that subscribe button. I could tell too. Big shout out to 𝐻𝐼_African. Big sales popping. Little sales stopping. It's big sales going on right now. Look in the description box. Okay? Let's go style this bad boy.